Hello, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to Big Al's Eats. I have got an unboxing that I want to do today. The people at Wiebe Knives sent me a nice little package, and I want to open this up. I want to introduce you to a new way of using knives, and a new type of knife. There's not really new, it's been around for some time, but I wanted to introduce you to this and explain to you why I like these knives. Let's open this box up. Let's see what we have in here. We've got a couple of aprons, Wiebe aprons from the Wiebe Knife Company. Got a couple of nice aprons there, and we got several knives in here. Let's take all these boxes out, and I'll go over what we've got in them. Looks like a nice little gift box here. Let's move this box out of the way. Okay, looks like we got some big knives here. All right, let's see. This is Wiebe Knives Monarch Wicked Sharp. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. This is what's nice. These blades on these knives, they're replaceable. You replace them, and you got the knife here, got a belt hook on it. Let's open this knife up and see what we got. This appears to be it's a type of skinning knife designed for hunters. Carry this on your waist in this belt loop here, and there's the knife on there. A lot of people, when they get a new knife, or somebody wants to show off a knife, first thing people want to do is touch the blade and see how sharp it is. Well, if you order you a Wiebe knife, don't stick your finger up there and start feeling the sharp blade. Like the box says, these are wicked sharp, and they're replaceable, and it comes with extra blades here. There's 3 or 4 blades in here, and that's nice. They give you extra blades. Let me explain to you why I am so interested in these knives. I do a daily cooking show called Big Al's Eats. I'm a retired firefighter. I did 35 years in the fire service, and at the fire stations, we do a lot of cooking, a lot of eating. We put out a lot of fires. Also, I've been in the competitive barbecue circuit. We've traveled all over the country cooking barbecue in competition. And also, I'm a hairstylist. I've been cutting hair since 1974. That's kind of giving away my age, but I want to explain to you why I like these knives, why they are so interesting to me. I have a pair of shears here. I use these to cut hair with. They're a small knife, small scissors. But the thing about these, and the name of them are switchblade scissors. I've had these going on about 12 years, somewhere around 12, 13 years. I've had them a while. You can change the blades on them. This is actually my 3rd set of blades. These blades on these shears right here, I have been using these blades for approximately 3.5 years. That's cutting hair every day and they're still sharp. These are spare blades. And like I say, I've had these blades a while. They're not even open yet. But you change the blades out with these. And these, like I say, they're over 3 years old, and they're still just super, super sharp. So how long will these blades last? By the feel of the blade, these are going to be with you a while. Skinning knife, it doesn't look like a paring knife, but yeah, you can peel potatoes with this. You chop onions, slice onions, all that's nice, and you have the extra blades for when you need them. So nice little knife there. Get a little close up, you can see it here. Nice little knife. And it is a locking blade. You can release it. It's got a bottom release on it. Fold it over, close the knife, put it on your belt loop if you like. If you don't want the belt holder, it's got a couple of torch bits or screws on there that you could probably remove if you don't like the belt loop deal there, and put the screws back in. So that's a really nice knife. It feels good in the hand, you know. And like I say, you know, yeah, you could peel potatoes with that. So let's set it right there. Let's open up another one. Let me put these blades back inside. Let's see, there's some more here. These are actually, they sent me 4 of these with the orange handle. So we're not going to open those. We know what's in those. Well, let's see, we got another box here. This is the Vixen folding knife. This one actually has 24 replacement blades, and it comes with a sheath or a pouch. Let's open this up. And this is a little bit of a different style knife. This one's the hard plastic right here. This is a wooden handle. A little bit different look on it. Same size knife appears to be. And it is shaped a little bit different. Same blades. And again, these are wicked sharp. Be careful with these knives. And you know, the people always say the more people get cut with a dull blade than they do a sharp blade. And that's true. In my case, I totally agree with that. But that's a nice little knife there. It does not have the belt loop on it, but it comes with this sheath. Well, you can put that on your belt and carry it with you. Another fine knife right there. Let's set it right there. And let's go over here to one of these boxes here. This is a Milo fillet knife, 6-inch fillet knife. Let me use this knife to cut that tape on there. Set that knife down right there. Let's open this up. Nice, it's got their name Wiebe on there. Got a little cover on it. This is a 6-inch fillet knife. That's a nice looking knife right there. Yeah, I want to touch the blade, and that is wicked sharp. This is a fillet knife. You could use it as a boning knife. You know, if you wanted to slice through some ribs, there you go. Real nice knife, nice knife there. Let's set this back in that so nobody gets hurt. We'll move that to the side. Got another one here. Let's check this out. These are really nice quality knives, y'all. Real nice knives. And this one is the same deal. This is an 8-inch fillet knife. Yeah, same deal, a little bit longer knife. Again, you know, this is a fillet knife. It's a hard, stiff blade on it. Some fillet knives have more pliable, bendable, but this right here, boy, that would be a nice knife for filleting fish or whatever you wanted to use it on. So that's real nice there. So, you know, got a nice selection of stuff here. Great knives. I encourage you to give them a try. Go over to their website, Wiebe Knives. High quality, hard plastic. They have other knives. They have all types of different type knives over there, and they cater to hunters. But these knives, you can use them for most anything you would like. So they have caping knives or blades. It's not a knife, it's a blade for, you know, if you're skinning out an animal and you stretch out the hide on it and you want to process that, you can scrape the fat and membrane off of that skin, you know, to do further processing with that. So hey, check them out. Wiebe Knives. Y'all go over there and check them out. Got all kind of nice little items over there for you. nice apron. And like I say, if these hold up like these scissors do, one knife, the extra blades that come with it, last you a lifetime. But if you need extra blades, you can order through the company. So from Big Al's Eats, thank you for joining me this morning. Take a good look at these Wiebe knives. I think you'll like them. Y'all have a good day and keep on cooking.